Hey there guys, so unfortunately I had a huge unboxing to share with you guys, but I was recording with a microphone and I didn't realize that the whole video was muted. It didn't have any sound, so I can no longer do an unboxing, but I will do a haul of all the Hoyas that I purchased. And so I'll share with you guys the 7 Hoyas from that unboxing that was a failed. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and start with my Hoya haul from plants.com. And the first Hoya in my haul, it's Hoya Glabra. It's this little guy right here. I'll do side screen so you guys can see a closer look of it. But this is Hoya Glabra, and this Hoya was on my wish list for a very long time. And then when I emailed them and I asked them if they had some rooted Hoyas, they mentioned this one, and I of course had to get a little one. This was the one that I was mostly excited about, and I'm really happy to have it. It arrived with one leaf, but it has a nice tendril, and it has a baby leaf coming out on the side, which is red. But the fact that it has a tendril, an active tendril growing, and it has a leaf coming out with another, then I'm very happy with it. I'm very excited to have a Hoya Glabra because it's so nice and so beautiful and absolutely a really nice Hoya. So this is Hoya Glabra. It grows really quickly. It's more like a carnosa type, so very happy with this. The next Hoya in my list is the Hoya. So I bought this one called the Hoya Bogar, but I'm doing a little bit more research. This one is Hoya Pallida or Benguetensis, something like that. I'll leave the names on the screen, but I got this as Hoya Bogar, and look at this. It's marvelous. This Hoya, it's to die for. It arrived in really good condition and it's rooted and it just looks really nice. So this one has chunky leaves, very chunky leaves, prominent veining on each leaf, speckles, also lightly speckled, a very thick stem. You guys know that I do prefer Hoyas that have like a nice thick chunky stem as opposed to like Hoyas that have very thin, like La Conosa, Crodiana. Those have very thin leaves, and stems. This ones have chunky leaves and thick stem, so I do prefer this Hoyas, but I think it looks really nice. Absolutely great. It has active growing tendril and the leaves are just amazing. They're pointy, like if you put them in your face, like it pokes. It's really nice, guys. Absolutely amazing Hoya. Okay, so right now it's actually raining here in Los Angeles. I don't know if you guys can hear the background, but it's raining. But the next Hoya that I got in my Hoya haul, it's probably my favorite because I'll tell you guys why in a minute. But this one is Hoya Benguetensis, guys. Hoya Benguetensis. I'll be doing side screen so you guys can take a closer look at this Hoya. But this Hoya, it's super expensive. I've seen it online for like a cutting of 2 leaves or 2 notes for like $95. So I got this, the whole plant, for $75, which is expensive. But I'll be doing cuttings on these Hoyas and I'll be selling them online. I'll probably do my Etsy shop. Because these plants, I'll probably do my Etsy shop with that name, and then I'll sell some of these cuttings rooted. But I'm really happy with this Hoya Benguetensis, guys. It's amazing, guys. The veining on the leaves, it kind of reminds me of like an Elagiorium hybrid. Really beautiful leaves, veining along them, and really good. And something that I have them here, I don't know if you guys could tell, right there on the side I have a humidity box, and right there is where I have pretty much most of my Hoyas, and they're amazing. So this Hoya, guys, arrived with a peduncle. It arrived with a peduncle, and I'm beyond belief. You guys know that I love peduncles. I love Hoyas and I love their flowers. So this Hoya arrived with a peduncle, a little long. It has a huge tendril that's just like biting all over. And the fact that it has an active growing peduncle, it's just so mesmerizing to me. I've never gotten a Hoya with such a prominent peduncle already. And this Hoya, it's super expensive and it's like a rare Hoya. Hoya Benguetensis. I'm beyond belief with this Hoya. Really happy. So healthy, and it seems to have loved the greenhouse. Something else, it arrived with this nice I guess you can say kind of like a name tag. that has engraved Hoya Benguetensis, and I think that's really cool, so I'm very happy with that. But anyways, this was my Hoya Benguetensis. Super nice, super nice. I have nothing but positive things to say about this Hoya. Get it while you can. Alright guys, so the next Hoya that I have is Hoya Phuwuaensis, guys. This one has been popping out on Instagram like crazy, and I've been looking online for a baby, and they're so expensive. And when I found this, guys, on the list from thehoyaplants.com, I bought it in a heartbeat, guys. Look at my Hoya Phuwuaensis, guys. It's a long tendril, guys. It's a huge rooted Hoya, and I am just impressed. Each leaf has so much speckles, and it's fussy. It feels fussy, and the leaves have texture to them. They have speckles, they have veining. So gorgeous, guys, so beautiful, so nicely decorated. Like each leaf looks beautiful, and it looks so healthy. This Hoya produces very simple flowers, but they're very fragrant, as what I've seen on Dog Chamberlain. If you guys don't follow him, check Dog Chamberlain, because they're amazing, and he does amazing Hoya videos. Oh my god, guys, I'm so happy with this guy, with this Hoya Phuwuaensis. I'm just thrilled with this one. It's like, I never thought I was gonna like it as much as I do, and I really do. With the rain going on, a nice warm cup of tea is the best. Continuing with my Hoya haul. So I have 3 Hoyas remaining, guys. 3 Hoyas, and the next one, this one, I don't know the name of it, but it has it in here. So this one is Hoya Purpureofusca. Look at this. I mean, look at this. Hoya Purpureofusca reminds me of Hoya macrophylla. Hoya clandestina had a baby, and they had a Hoya like this. And guys, I am so happy with this. The leaves are very thick, just like a clandestina macrophylla. Super veiny, as you can see, very veiny. It looks like a carnosa type, so if it is, it's gonna be a huge fast grower. Carnosa type Hoyas are very fast growing. Carnosa type Hoyas are the Hoyas that have a thick chunky tendril and have thick succulent like leaves. Those are my favorite, and this Hoya gives me other indications that it will definitely be a Hoya carnosa type. I haven't seen much information on this Hoya online, Hoya Purpureofusca, but definitely I could be the guinea pig and see if I could take care of this Hoya. Right now I have it in my ghetto humidity box, which I'll leave a link to that video here on top of the, I'll give an insert card. So if you guys want to see how I take care of my Hoyas during this time, I have a humidity grow box, and that's where I keep all my Hoyas, and that's where they're getting all their humidity and their moisture. And this Hoya seems to be loving it. So far so good. Really nice Hoya. Absolutely cannot say much about this, since I really haven't cared for it, or nor have I heard anyone with this Hoya. But yeah. Alright guys, and this next Hoya, I have a very nice sentimental value for it, because one of my friends on Instagram and one of my subscribers on YouTube got one the same day I got it. Her name is Carly, so follow her on Instagram. Her name, the planted Carly flower. I'll leave her insert card right here so you guys can take a look. But she and I share the same Hoya. She named hers Gussie, and then I'm naming mine Carly. So this is Carly, which is Hoya Joy. Guys, this Hoya is beyond belief. I never thought I was gonna like it as much as I did. It has huge Hoya, it has huge leaves, and it has like a margin on the side here. It looks like a red burgundy margin. I don't know if you guys could see it, but the leaves are humongous. It has humongous leaves, and it's bigger than the pot. The pot is a 4-inch pot. The leaves are like about 6-7 inches tall and like 4 inches wide. It's a very sturdy Hoya. As you can see right here, it's humongous. It's like, see, it's really big. It's only 2 leaves, but it does have a nice tendril right there on the center. And then it arrived with this nice Hoya Joy little name tag. Overall, guys, such a beautiful Hoya. I'm really happy with it, and I'm more happy that I have someone that I know that got the same Hoya, so we can kind of track how the progress on this Hoya goes for each of us under our care, under Carly's care, under my care. See how nice of a Hoya Joy we end up growing. So yeah, I'm growing mine in regular soil, the one that it arrived with. It just seems like it's regular soil with a perlite, and I think it's happy in it, so I'm gonna leave it where it is. I'm not gonna change it. I don't want to stress it. And but I don't know how Carly is growing. I think she's gonna put it in leca or maybe cocoa husks. I don't know. Leave me a comment below. But anyways, yeah, very happy with this Hoya Joy or Hoya Carly. Alright guys, and my final Hoya on this haul is this was the cutting that I've already placed in this pot right here. So it's Hoya, I forgot the name of this one, guys, but I'll leave the name tag right here on the screen so you guys can take a look, where you guys can read it. I think this one is Hoya. I don't remember. It's been a while, but it arrived like this, and I already have it in a 4-inch pot. It looks very nice and chunky, very nice tendrils, and it already has some area roots, so I'm really happy with that. Overall, I'm really happy with this vendor because my Hoyas are in really good condition. I've purchased cuttings from this seller years ago, and they arrived in really nasty condition. I didn't want to keep buying from them. However, this last purchase from them, I've been hearing a lot of positive feedback from my friends on Instagram and my subscribers on YouTube that I decided to give them another go, and boy am I happy with them. I think they have really nice prices. They offer a wide, nice selection of plants. When I send them an email, they actually sent me pictures to see the Hoyas that they carry, and based on the pictures that I received, I was able to order the Hoyas. Really happy with them. Really nice, healthy collection. So overall, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know that I've been filming a lot of tea videos, but I feel like Hoyas and plants are one different genre, and I only specialize on Hoyas. I do have other plants, but I think my jam is Hoyas. So Hoyas is my thing, and teas. So Hoyas and teas is what my channel will come out with. I hope you guys don't mind that. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Before I go, I want to say that all of these Hoyas arrived a few days ago, and I placed them in a humidity box like you guys can see on the back right there. It has water, and it has like a 2 wood stuck together so that the Hoyas are not sitting on the water. In fact, they're sitting on top of the wood, and then the water is right below them with a heat mat on the bottom, so the container is warm and the water is evaporating, and then that's what's causing the humidity. I have a video talking about my ghetto humidity box. I'll leave a intercut of the video somewhere, but yes, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great one. Don't forget to drink water, water your plants. Kapung karigato. Kusumasta.